So here were my bald spots back in July 2016. I had 2 bald spots, one on the top and then one in the back of my head. I was pretty sad about this. But when I started using some natural methods, things got a little better. And in August 2016, 1 month later, I could see some new growth coming, and as you can see here, there are little hairs coming out of the bald spot finally. Before, it was completely bare and there was no hair. It was just clean bald spot. All my hair had fell out from the follicles. And moving on to the following month, in September 2016, I noticed even more growth. More hair is coming through, and in both spots I see a big difference. The hair that's growing, the new hair that's growing is a lot softer. In October, the small little baby soft hairs are still coming up, and I can see a lot more growth. And this is at the end of October. Now November is when things got a lot better. As you can see, the bald spot is almost completely covered with this new soft baby hair from the new growth. And yeah, I began to have a lot more hope about my bald spot growing back. And so by December, my bald spot had gotten much better. This is after I washed my hair, and this is after it dried a little bit. As you can see, the new hair is a lot softer and curlier than the rest of my hair. Now, you're probably wondering how I did this. Now, I was able to grow back my hair naturally by doing a couple of things. Number 1 was taking Provilla's hair vitamins, and you can access this in the description below. And using emu oil. I used to mix emu oil with 2 other oils, and they're coming up. I mixed emu oil with peppermint oil, and this makes a huge difference. It stimulates hair growth immediately. And you can click the links below to get the peppermint oil and the emu oil and the pills. And oh yeah, lavender oil. I mixed in lavender oil as well. Try this out for yourself, and make sure you check out the products and supplies featured in this video by clicking the links below in the description. If you want a chance to win beauty and health prizes, click the link below to enter your name and email address. You'll be entered in upcoming and monthly giveaway contests and get updates for beauty and health tips.